Hi everyone. I'm here in my garden. I'm actually still trying to make this place looking, yeah, removing weeds and poison ivy. Just some potted flowers here. My peonies smell so good. These are random flowers. Primrose. This is burgundy with verbena. I know this is just a mixture of verbena and this. I don't know what that is. Violet. I need to hang this somewhere because it's in a hanging basket, but for now they stay here because I don't have a place to hang them. Petunias. And another petunia over there. This is daylilies. Does it smell? Oh, it smells really good. Another foxglove. Oh, look at that. I'm not really sure what this is though. I like this tree. Pretty. So our pawpaw trees. This garden bed is actually messy right now. I don't have time to work on them, but I will someday. But these are primroses, hostas. I'm just fighting. There's poison ivy growing here. This one is primroses as well, or cowslip or something, and they're done blooming. Yeah, I am learning. I'm not a gardener, but I'm learning, and I enjoy doing this. It's a lot of work though, but it's fun. Another garden bed that I wanted to fix. Put some mulch down, put some edgers, and add hostas here someday. But I'm gonna fix this weekend. My rhododendrons over here. I just removed a lot of poison ivies in this area. Yeah, but so far we cut this rhododendron here was because it's too big and it was blocking the windows, and they're growing back. So I think I'll remove some of the plants here that I don't really understand why they are here. I'll remove them and replace them with hostas, and then put edger in mulch. So I picked a 1 scoop of the Rocky Road. and I think it's total of $3 and something cents, including tax. So I am going to the cabin because I need to bring some tools to my boyfriend. He actually, something's wrong with the tractor and he needs to fix it before the rain comes tonight so he can put it away. I think yeah, so I am bringing the tools that he needs. So this is the long and winding road, West Virginia, but I've been here many times. Okay, chicken, get away. I'd really like to stop and alpaca farm, guys, and goats and donkeys. Yeah. Now I love this part of the road, not because of the road, because it's really a rough road. It's not paved or anything like that. But the trees on the left side, they're just very pretty for me. Yeah. But road, nah. And another part, the same thing with that trees, evergreen. I'm not sure what kind of trees it is, but it's really nice. Kind of reminds me of Oregon, and it's also green all winter time. So, but yeah, you have to go slow, just like that truck is doing. I'm just following him. Go slow because it's bumpy. There, where we used to have a lot of potholes here, they fixed it, but it's actually a band-aid fix. Would like them to really pave this road, or you know, do something about West Virginia. Is still wild and wonderful. Enjoy the wild ride. The truck is even going slow, like I'm driving a van, a minivan.